what? I finally hit 500. Whoop, whoop. I know I should wait and do this giveaway till it sticks because, you know, with YouTube, you're up and down and up and down. But I'm too excited. I can't wait. It's taken me over 6 weeks to get the last 5 subscribers I needed. Usually I get a couple a week, and this has just been bad this last 6 weeks. Just, I'd get 1 and lose 2, get 2, lose 3, you know, I kept bouncing around between 491 and 494 for like a month, and then I started creeping up, and I finally hit 500. Part of that's due to Alex from Alex and Sugar, or not Alex and Sugar, Life with Sugar. She posted on Facebook my link and asked her Facebook friends to subscribe to me, and I think that got me those last few I needed. Thank you, Alex. So we have this heavy, that's why I use these boxes, because whatever fits ships for the same price, because this is heavy. If I just did it in a regular box, it'd probably be $20 at least to send it, but with these boxes it's like, I think it's $15.50. All right, so the rules to my giveaway. You must be 18. Unfortunately, because it is this kind of box, it has to go contiguous U.S. States. U.S. states. What does the S stand for? Duh. U.S. United States. YouTube didn't have anything to do with anything in here. It's all bought with my money, or given to me, or got it in subscription boxes, stuff like that. Oh, there goes my phone, but I don't want to hang up because I don't hang up on you. It says on my phone it's spam, so not going to answer that, that's for sure. I'm so glad your phone started telling you when it's spam or telemarketers, so you can ignore it. Where was I? Oh yeah, must be 18, United States. No, YouTube didn't have anything to do with it. You must be subscribed, publicly subscribed, so I can see that you're subscribed. What else? I think that's the main rules. Though I'm forgetting something. I don't remember, but and there'll be a secret word at the end that you need to put in a sentence to let me know that you're interested in winning. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome. But I ask you to stick around for a while and give me a chance. Don't just subscribe just to get in the giveaway. All right, this is full of goodies. We'll look at this in a minute. It's a pretty bag, though. It's an Ipsy bag. I don't do Ipsy anymore, but somebody gave it to me. I learned my lesson and put stuff like this in baggies. Look at our baggies there. I couldn't find the kind of baggies I wanted, so I had to get frozen baggies. Some hand sanitizer. I did one of these giveaways, and I had nail polish in it, and it spilled all over the box and ruined everything. So now any liquid like that, I put in a baggie. This I got in, what is it called? Betty's Blessings, I think it's called. And I don't have a desk to put it on, so I probably won't ever use it. It says, all that you do, it's like a little thing to put on your desk. All that you do, be done in love. 1 Corinthians 16:14. So I hope someone will enjoy that. Anything that you get that's not for you, like I get mascara all the time and I don't wear mascara. Just pass it on. Give it to a friend, family, put it in a giveaway box, whatever you want. That's fine with me. I got one of these. I already have a couple of them. These are the no-touch things. I don't even know if people use these anymore, but they're to open doors or hit keys on keypads to keep you from getting COVID germs. These are kind of cool. They are little pieces of paper with blush on them. Oh, no, that isn't what it is. Never mind. That's not what I thought it was. It's one of these silicone you know, put your makeup on. It's like a sponge, but it's silicone, so it doesn't get it washes off really easy. I have one and I really like it. It doesn't get all gunky like a sponge, and it doesn't use as much product because it doesn't absorb. It just stays on top, and you just, you know, do your eyes or whatever. This I got, and I know I won't use it because I've got a cup I really like, but it's one of these Swell bottles that, I mean, it'll keep things cold up to 24 hours. And it's really pretty. So hopefully, and it'll keep things hot for 12 hours. So this would be great to take your coffee to work and, you know, while you're driving and then after you get to work. But as again, I don't work, so I probably won't use it. I got this, but I'm not much of a hat person, but really be cute for the beach, kind of into the season, so you probably won't use it for the beach, but unless you live in Florida, of course. But I thought it was cute. After I repackage all this, I'm putting it, I had it all nice and neat where it all fit, but now it probably won't all fit. Just some Kleenex for your purse. I told you I got random stuff in here. This is a clay mud mask. It's a big old bottle of it. And that's what you look like. And then here's a couple more masks. It's a hyaluronic acid bubble mask. I think bubble masks are fun because you put them on and they go bloop, 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 and it look like when you were a little kid you'd made bubble beards and stuff when you're in the bathtub. That's what it looks like. And this one's banana essence sheet mask. We all know how I feel about bananas. Don't care for bananas. Don't like the smell of bananas. Don't want the smell of bananas on my face. This is Pure Plus Lano Revitalizing Overnight Treatment. I think it's in a really pretty bottle, if this is the one I'm thinking of. Yeah, the bottle is really pretty. Kind of sparkly. I've got several overnight treatments and I don't ever use those. I really should. I mean, my skin's not bad for the age I am. Oh, this will last forever. It says apply a pea-sized amount to your face, neck, and décolletage nightly. So pea-sized amount, this is going to last a billion years. You know, my skin isn't too bad considering I've never done anything for it. I've never put lotions and potions on ever my whole life. And I'll be 72 2 months. In November, I'll be 72. This I really wanted, but it's lavender and the smell. I'm allergic to most flower scents. It's Love Script. Your body is a temple, worship it. Oh, I love that phrase, but it's a body wash. It's a lot in here, and it's, let's see, 6 fluid ounces, but it's heavy. I'm sure this would be a great body wash, but the lavender did me in. I can't do it. And then speaking of bath stuff, there's 2 shower bombs and a bath bomb. And the last 2, last but not least, are a couple of palettes. This one's neutral eye stuff. Got the plastic on it, but the plastic doesn't want to come out, so hopefully you can see it anyway. It's even got some grays in there. You don't see gray very often. I used to do neutrals only, and now I very seldom do neutrals. I more like the wild and crazy colors, like today's purple. I don't know if you can tell. I put it on pretty light. And last but not least, an eyeshadow palette. Spectra Gourmand Girls Krista Rice Makeup. Ooh, pretty. It's got a little gouge in it. I did think I did that, but maybe I did, but you can just not use that one if it bothers you. But I didn't touch any of this unless I accidentally hit it with something open in it, but I don't remember doing that. But those colors are really pretty. I like that purple right there. That blue's really pretty. I don't know. The peaches are pretty. It's just got some nice fall colors in there. Those oranges and yellows. So I hope you like it. So that is my 500 subscriber giveaway. And what shall we use for a secret word? I don't know. I should have thought of that ahead of time, but I never do. I always try and wrap these things up. I've got these little bubble wrap bags that I use. So we got that eyeshadow palette, this eyeshadow palette, this night cream, the body wash, couple of masks, another mask, a bottle that will last quite a while, this little desk scripture thingy, silicone sponge, a little door dealy bobby. I don't ever use those, but you know, maybe you do. Hand sanitizer. We should all use that. Oh, I never showed you what was in the pouch. We gotta do that too. There's more, but wait, there's more. These bath balmy things. Tissues. Oh, I should put this in first. This swell bottle. Oh, I'll have to figure out how to get that in there. I should have put it in first. A hat, which nobody probably wants, but maybe you can pass it on to somebody who would. And this pouch has goodies in it too. See, it's full of stuff. It's a mascara. That's what the brush looks like. It's a nice thick brush. Pretty color. You know me in purple. I love my purples. Ooh, more eyeshadow. Sparkly. This would be a good Valentine's Day present for somebody if you don't like it. It says, splash of love. Come on, get back on there, little plastic thingy. There we go. So that's 3 eyeshadow palettes so far. What else do we have? An eyeliner pencil from Revlon. Ooh, yeah, I remember this. Pretty bracelet. I don't wear bracelets very often, but this one's really pretty. I was tempted to keep it, but I had it in a giveaway for a collab where it was like you could choose makeup, skincare, or jewelry, and this was one of the pieces of jewelry. So I thought since I was already going to pass it on, I'd go ahead and pass it on. And last but not least, very last but not least, I think it's blushes and highlighters. And the package is cute. It looks like martini glasses. So that is it. I almost forgot there was more. So this is a really nice giveaway. At least I think so. I've been saving this stuff for quite a while just for my 500 subscribers. So I would love for you to win. If you haven't subscribed, you need to do that or you can't win my giveaway. And there's lots of goodies in there, as you just saw. let's use the word, how about my sign here? Use the word blessed in a sentence, but don't say blessed GMP, because that the comment picker would think that was a different word and wouldn't pick it. So just use blessed in a sentence. And I hope you all have a great, today is Friday, so have a great weekend. And thank you, thank you, thank you. I love my subscribers. You just make my day, and I'm so excited to hit 500. This week on the 19th is my 3-year anniversary, so it's been slow but steady. It took me a year to get to the first 50. And then, I don't know, remember what I was at the second year. I think it was like maybe 150. So then this second to third year, I got the rest up to the 500. So it's exciting to get to the 500 before my anniversary. I was kind of hoping to do that. I mean, obviously all YouTubers' goal is to get to 1,000 where you get monetized, but it's not really the money, but the money would help with like shipping and stuff for this kind of thing. But it's just having new friends. That's the exciting part. That's the exciting part of hitting 500 is new friends. And if you're a new friend, pop up and say hi. Let me know. Let me know you're there. Let me meet you, get to know you. As I said before, have a wonderful weekend. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And use the word blessed in a sentence to win this giveaway. And I guess that's it. Thank you all. I love you all. You just made me so happy today. We'll talk to you soon. Oh, one more thing I forgot. This will end at the end of the month on 30 days, has September? Yeah, on the 30th. So today's the 17th. So it gives you basically a couple weeks to get your blessed word in there so you can win. So August 30th is the end, and then you have 48 hours to let me know. I will try and comment on your comment so you know you won, but I'll also do a video, so be watching for that on the 30th. See if you won. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. One more thing. Once this gets to the post office, it's kind of out of my hands. If something gets broken or damaged, there's nothing I can do about it. I can't replace it because I don't have any more of these. So hopefully nothing gets broken. I'll try and pack it well, but if it does, just throw it away. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.